Welcome to our deep dive into the crash test performance of some of the world's most exclusive and expensive automobiles. In this review, we'll explore how these engineering masterpieces fare in tests conducted by renowned institutions like Euro NCAP, NHTSA, and IIHS, underscoring that even the most luxurious cars must meet strict safety standards. Let's begin with the Pagani Huayra. Although Pagani isn't obligated to submit its models to conventional testing, an incident during a real-world drive in Germany demonstrated that the Huayra's innovative carbon monocoque structure can efficiently absorb impact energy, leaving both driver and passenger unscathed. Next, the Koenigsegg Regera adopts a unique approach. Given its extremely limited production numbers, traditional full-scale crash tests aren't practical. Instead, Koenigsegg relies on rigorous repeat testing of a single vehicle along with advanced digital simulations to ensure that its chassis can consistently withstand severe impacts. In a similar vein, the Bugatti Veyron circumvents the high cost of multiple physical tests by using state-of-the-art simulation software. Bugatti repairs and retests one vehicle repeatedly to analyze energy dissipation and structural integrity, proving that cutting-edge virtual evaluations can effectively complement physical crash testing. The Lamborghini Murcielago is another icon that has undergone extensive impact assessments. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction has shown a remarkable ability to manage collision forces by crumpling in controlled areas, thus preserving the integrity of the passenger cabin even in high-impact frontal collisions. When it comes to high-performance sports cars, the Mercedes-Benz SLS-AMG has been featured in various independent crash scenarios. Although it hasn't been formally rated by agencies such as NHTSA or IIHS, its robust front-end design and innovative safety features, like an automatic door release mechanism during rollovers, highlight its commitment to occupant safety. Porsche's entry into the electric arena, the Taycan, has also been thoroughly evaluated. The Taycan achieved impressive overall scores, though tests revealed minor deficiencies in rear-end protection and certain frontal impact zones, particularly concerning child safety. Its excellent side impact performance and cutting-edge collision avoidance systems, however, set a new standard for high-performance electric vehicles. Shifting to the luxury SUV category, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class has earned top marks from Euro NCAP in both side impact and pole tests. Equipped with adaptive emergency braking and lane-keeping assistance, this vehicle exemplifies how robust design and modern technology can work together to protect occupants, even at high speeds. The Tesla Model S continues to impress with its comprehensive safety record, having secured a 5-star rating in every NHTSA category. Its unique design, bolstered by an extended crumple zone that results from the absence of a conventional engine, ensures that impact forces are efficiently absorbed, thereby significantly reducing rollover risks. Rounding out our review is the Range Rover Velar. Positioned as a bridge between Range Rover's larger models, the Velar has been put through its paces by Euro NCAP. With a sturdy design and state-of-the-art crash avoidance technologies, such as effective emergency braking, the Velar consistently delivers robust protection in both frontal and lateral collision scenarios. Each of these vehicles, representing the pinnacle of automotive luxury and engineering, demonstrates that safety is never compromised, even in the most high-end designs. Their rigorous evaluations by respected safety organizations remind us that superior performance and cutting-edge technology must always go hand in hand with uncompromising safety.